What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you 7 apps that will pay you PayPal money instantly. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. The first app that we use to earn our free PayPal money is called SurveyTime.io. Get instant reward with $1 for every survey you complete. Here you have a 1-minute video that you can watch to have a clear understanding about what the site is all about. So you can just watch the video to have a clear understanding about it. So we scroll a little bit down here, you have testimonies of people that have participated with the site and giving their testimony or recommending the site. So here, when you scroll a little bit down here, you see how does SurveyTime works. If you are looking to make money online through paid survey, then you have reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. Here you sign up for SurveyTime for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Start earning cash for your survey. For each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1 USD. So here, why should I use SurveyTime? Here, no withdrawal threshold. SurveyTime has no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete a survey, you get paid for it almost instantly. There are no point system. Complete the survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred gift card. Here, you can also check here their survey for you. SurveyTime offer you the most relevant survey. We match our survey to your interest based on your answers in our introductory survey. So here, never mix a new survey. SurveyTime keeps you updated. We make sure to notify you in your preferred method whether we have a new relevant survey for you, so you will never mix out a chance to complete survey for money. They also have a $1 reward system. On SurveyTime, all surveys were born equally, whether the survey take you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you are in the Philippines or in the US. If you complete the survey, you get rewarded with $1 USD. You can also choose your reward which you prefer to be paid. If you prefer to PayPal or Amazon or maybe Target, with SurveyTime you can earn gift card for your favorite branch. Not all gift card options are available outside the US. So here, SurveyTime is global. You can take survey for money from anywhere in the world. So as simple as that, you can just go through the site, go through SurveyTime.io to have a clear understanding about the site and see if you really want to participate with the site and start earning money with them. So the second site that we use to earn our free PayPal money is called Enable.com. Digital reward and gift card made easily. Earn instantly reward by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It is that easy. So here you can see some of their offers or partners. Here you can also participate with their Peanut Lab or Add Get Reward or Offer Toro. So complete offers and get reward is as simple. We reward our members with instant cash and free gift card for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. So here you can see these are some of the points that you will earn for spending the amount of minutes. So with this, if you spend about 5 minutes, you earn about this amount of points. Some are there to you also spend about 4 minutes and earn about 30 points. So you can just go through them, go through the site. Easy here, you redeem your points. So after when you participate with the offers, you're able to earn some points. Then you redeem your points for instant cash reward or free gift card from your favorite brand and retailers. So here there's something for everyone: cash out payment, gift card, wallet codes, and many more. So these are some of the payment method that you can use. And they also have a referral system. You can also share your referral link with your friends, family, and followers. You earn a 10% commission of their earning for life. So just go through the site and read more about them, and you can sign up with here and start participating with the site and start earning your money. So the third site that we use to earn our free money is called superpay.me. So make money online with the fastest paying survey site. Cash out instantly from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, scroll, and earn gift card. Take paid surveys and offers for money and get paid today. So here, when we come a little bit down here, you can see some of their payment method that you can use to cash out. Here we have the Amazon. You can get your cash out through Amazon gift cards. You can also use PayPal, Bitcoin, or Spro. Make extra money by completing quick surveys, offer trials, games, videos, and more. We work with top legit survey companies, and they also offer fast payments, same day thanks to our 8-hour payment promise. Cash out via PayPal, facilitated as $1. Alternative, use one of our e-gift card options. You can also get 24/7 support to help make sure you get your payment on time. And these are some of their top benefits. It's free to join, and you receive a sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. It's also safe and secure. SurveyPay.me is safe and secure. We send thousands of payments daily and will never share your information without your consent. Here you can tell we have paid our members almost $5 million US. So here you can just go to the site, read about the site, watch a video, and have a clear understanding about the site, and see if you really want to participate with them. So more about superpay.me. SurveyPay.me is an online community that lets you earn extra cash for taking online survey. We have over 10 years of experience in linking people with the best paying survey available. So just read about the site and participate with them and start earning your free PayPal cash, or you can cash out using Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So the first site that we use to earn our free PayPal money is called CitizenMe.com. So here, reclaim your superpower, your digital data, the only zero data app in the world. So here, zero data leads CitizenMe raise $2 million to fund mission. So here, this is privacy first, own your own data. All data you have created you can collect and build up on app. So what is data? Just read about what is data. And what does the mean app? Secure and save instant payment. All user data is stored on their smartphone. We do not hold a copy of it, giving the user full control of privacy. So with CitizenMe.com, it's straightforward. All you have to do is just download their app. They start engaging with their app. Then your data will be exchanged for reward. It's as simple as that. So the few site that you can earn money is called offernation.com. So complete online survey for money, find legit paid survey for cash, and make extra money from home. So more than 1.4 thousand has been paid out in cash. So here you can see join our members, making money online. Make money online with OfferNation. Get paid to complete online survey, watch videos, play games, complete offers, and more. Taking online survey can be an enjoyable and fun way to spend your spare time and extra income. So here they also give you instant cash payment for survey. So OfferNation is one of the fastest paying survey site, offering payment options including instant PayPal cash, Screw, or Bitcoin. If you prefer, you can choose from one of our gift card options, which can be used in hundreds of online stores including Amazon, iTunes, Starbucks, and many others. The best legit pay survey. So here, making money online with OfferNation is safe and secure. We don't share or sell personal information about our members with unauthorized third party, so you can be sure your data is safe. So here you can just scroll down to also watch a video about the website and see how it works to have a clear understanding about it. So how to earn money online at Nation. So here it is very simple to get started. Just click on the join button below to create your account. It takes less than a minute to join. So it's as simple as that. After thousands of surveys and get paid for each of your complete, we have a large selection of high quality survey panels that cover many different topics. You can also get access to thousands of offers from brands like Amazon, Google Play Store, iTunes, Netflix, and much more. Surveys are available 24/7 no matter what the time or day or night you want to work. It's as simple as that. So just go through the site, read more about the site. Here you can also check frequent ask questions to have a clear understanding about the site and see if you really want to engage or participate with the site and start earning with them. In order to start earning, just go ahead and just click on the join free, put in your information. Then after signing up, then start earning with OfferNation.com. So the safe site that you can use to earn free PayPal money is called LifePointsPanel.com. Take surveys to shape future product and service and get paid for it. Start today and we will give you 10 life points to kick off your earning. So here, earning is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So it's as simple. These are the process that you follow to start earning. You sign up, join our community, and discover how much we value your opinion. We have paid over 22 million to our members in the last year alone. Here, the second step is to take surveys, complete surveys, and get paid for sharing your feedback on product and brand we all know and love. And the third step is get reward, earn virtual points, which is LPS, that can be redeemed for e-gift card, PayPal, and much more. So how to get paid to take survey? Getting started is simple. So first of all, you sign up, which is quick and easy. Then you verify your email, that's to activate your account. Then here you complete your profile, help you match with the right survey. Then here you check your inbox, then you unlock the LPS with your first survey. Then you take survey, start completing the range of surveys available for you. Then you get your reward, so it's as simple as that. Then here you can also win points and prizes. The life points reward, choose between hundreds of e-gift cards or get paid via PayPal. So you can also receive your payment through PayPal, Amazon, or Special Olympic. You can also read some testimony that people have given about the website. So you can read about life points to have a clear understanding about what the site is all about. To join, if you want to join, just click join and start earning with them. It's as simple as that. The seventh site that we can use to earn our PayPal money is called instagc.com. Digital gift card, receive instantly. Join our fast growing community and receive free gift card instantly for your online activity. So just straightforward. So here when you come, all you have to do is just to join the site. You can either join with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Then you just put in or you can join with your email, which you put in your username, your password, then your email address, then you sign up. Then you get a free 10 points, which you can start with. Then you earn points for things that you already do online. So here you complete surveys, watching video, shopping online, they search the web. So you redeem your point for gift cards. It's as simple as that. So you can just go through the site and see if you want to participate in the site and start earning your free PayPal money. So after getting your points, which you can also convert into your PayPal money or your Bitcoin. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.